What's going on, guys? This is Caleb here, and we got a pretty exciting thing to announce today. So we've been working on this for a while, but before we reveal what that is, our whole thing here at the Drone Dojo is to kind of reduce the learning curve required to work on advanced, awesome drone projects. Now that could be because you're working on a drone entrepreneurship endeavor, or maybe you're working on some exciting college research. Whatever you're working on, we're trying to reduce that learning curve. And in the past, we relied on free instructional videos on YouTube and paid courses on our website. And maybe in the last 6 months, we offered Pi-Hawk drone kits. Well, today we're launching a new service here at the Drone Dojo, and that is Drone Dojo memberships. So let's check that on out. Really excited about this. So we have 3 different tiers. We have blue belt and purple belt and black belt. So let's go over all of this stuff. I mean, it's a ton of stuff, so buckle up. Buckle up. The first thing that you will get under any plan is the member t-shirt. So let's check that out. It's actually pretty cool. So depending on what tier you're in, you'll get the appropriate t-shirt with your name on the back. So we have the blue belt shirts here, purple belt and black belt shirt. We'll mail that right to your door. Then we're getting exclusive monthly projects. So this month's exclusive monthly project is all about optical flow sensors, which are great for flying indoors in GPS-denied environments, and it can actually act as the primary positioning sensor for your drone. So we have a mini course on that for the month of June. For the month of July, we're going to be showing you how to set up a mobile hotspot on your phone to connect your laptop and drone to your own network when you're in the field. Previously, we've taught on the ad hoc networking method, but that's not really too robust, so we're excited to show you a new way of easily connecting your drone and laptop when you're in the field. Then we're going to be launching exclusive podcast material, so we have a lot of interesting people we're looking forward to speaking with. Going to pick their brains on, where they think the drone industry is going, maybe a little bit of information on their technical drone operations if they're running drone entrepreneurship startups. So really excited about that. Next thing is the monthly prize drawing. So every month we're going to be raffling off a new awesome drone item. And this month, since this is the first month of the membership, we're actually going big with the monthly prize drawing. We're going to be raffling off a Pi-Hawk drone kit, which is a $600 value. So that is this month's prize. In the future, we might do LiDAR modules or IR precision landing modules. Just a bunch of cool stuff that you will be in the drawing for. Then we're going to offer a % off partner courses. Now, I'm really excited about this. Let's check that out real quick. So once you become a member, you will get access to the members dashboard on dojofordrones.com, so we'll check that out. Okay, now it's counting down here for the Pi-Hawk, but anyway, we're not here for that. We are here to check out the partner courses. So right now, it's super awesome. We've partnered with Augmented Startups, which has, at this point, I think like 80,000 subscribers on YouTube and a bunch of awesome instructional videos. They also have even better paid courses. So our Drone Dojo members are going to get a % off of these courses. The Augmented Startups focus primarily on AI applications and OpenCV. And one of my favorite projects is this one, Project Edith. Build your own AI smart glasses. You remember those Google Glass failures from back in the day? Well, this course will show you how to make some goggles that has some AI and OpenCV stuff built into it. And really, learning about AI and OpenCV in depth would be an amazing skill set to interlap with drone technology and drone knowledge. You can do some really cool stuff combining those two. So that's the other thing. That's the next thing that Blue Belt members get. They're going to get a % off of all of those partner courses. We're going to be aggressively adding to this list as we go on and we get more members, but right now it's just augmented startups. Then the next thing we're going to offer is an intro Zoom call. So I want to know, what are you working on? Do you have an idea with a project, but you don't know maybe the technical aspects of how to accomplish that? Or maybe you're already working on a project and you're running into some roadblocks and you need some help, or whatever else you're dealing with. This intro Zoom call, I want to learn all about you, what you're working on, and how I can help, and how the Drone Dojo can better serve you. So that is the blue belt tier, regularly $27 a month. Stick around till the end of the video and you might get a percentage off of that. The purple belt tier, it's everything that the blue belt gets, but we're also adding some other awesome stuff. So we're going to do a monthly live Q&A. So this is all about getting your problem solved at a much quicker clip. So right now, I get so much emails I try to answer once a day, but in the purple belt, you're going to get a higher level of support, and maybe there's a technical issue that you've been trying to overcome for a while. We're going to have monthly live Q&As, which is going to be, answering your questions and potentially even giving live presentations on new information. Next, if you're a purple belt member, you're going to get 10% off the Drone Dojo courses. So at this point, I think the combined, we have the drone delivery and precision landing course, which is $400. We have the drone programming primer, which is $200, and the how to build a drone course, which is $100. So if you're in the purple belt, you'll be able to get 10% off any course you want to be in. So actually, if you wanted to take all of those courses, it would make sense to become a purple belt and buy all those courses, and you'll save $70 whenever the purple belt membership is $47. And then the other thing we're adding for the purple belt members is double the bounty board rewards. Now you might not know about this, but here is a little bit of information about the bounty board and a quick refresher for those who are already aware. Basically, us at the Drone Dojo, we launched the Project Bounty Board, which is us putting bounties on projects. So if you complete this project and demonstrate that you completed it while walking through how you did it, then you can claim your bounty. So for example, drone swarming. If you completed the mission, you would regularly get $200. But if you were a purple belt member, now you're getting $400. So that's a big bump. So if you're looking at the bounty board and you want to hit some of these projects, it's probably a good idea to become a purple belt member, because you're going to get more bounty rewards for that. If you want to get more information on the Drone Dojo bounty board, go to dojofordrones.com/bounty-board and watch this video. So where are we at? So that is the purple belt. So next up is the black belt tier. So black belt gets everything that the blue belt and purple belts get, with a ton more stuff. So this is kind of, if you're really serious about drone stuff, this is the program for you. It's professional. Maybe you're a university, maybe you're a drone startup, or maybe you're in the idea phase, but you just want hyper support and consulting on your idea. So let's go over what's in the black belt. So first of all, that bounty board we just talked about, instead of double, you're getting triple the bounty board. So that drone swarm mission, shoot, if you complete that, you're getting $600. I mean, that's crazy. And the monthly price is $397. So if you just demolish that bounty board, I mean, this could be a pretty good investment for you. But I mean, that's just one of the things we're offering in black belt. The other thing we're doing is priority technical support. What does that look like? Well, first of all, we're going to have, quick an ability for you to get answers to your questions you might be dealing with in a very quick fashion. As I said before, right now I'm trying to answer emails around once a day, but that can squeeze like a 15-minute solution and spread it, not squeeze, you're going to be spreading it across maybe 3 days as there's this back and forth. So we're going to be offering a chat room for quick support. You got a problem, maybe your drone's taking off, it's flipping, maybe you are having issues connecting your Raspberry Pi with Pixhawk. Well, this with the chat room, you're going to be able to enter in your questions and we're going to get you the solution as quick as possible. The other part of priority tech support is we're going to have weekly Zoom calls. So, you know, let's track your drone goals. How's your progress? Do you have any questions? Do you have any consulting on the viability of a project idea? So you're going to get excellent support from us at the Drone Dojo in this tier, and that's kind of paired along with coaching for projects. Then the other cool thing we're going to be doing is giving you the ability to rent a pre-built Pi-Hawk drone. So the Pi-Hawk drones are awesome. It saves you a ton of time by shipping you all the parts, and all you have to do is build it. But you know, a lot of people, they don't even want to waste time building the drone. They just want to get to the point where it's ready to fly and programmable. They want to get to the innovative stuff. They don't want to just, you know, build a drone from scratch. So if you're in the black belt tier, you can rent a pre-built Pi-Hawk drone. And it's not just pre-built. It has all the firmware flashed and ready to go. Make sure it flies steadily. The settings are up to date. So you're getting a drone that is ready to go from the second it arrives at your door. So if you're in this tier, you don't have to pay any shipping. We'll just ship it out to you. If there's a problem with the drone, maybe you had a crash, ship it on back and we'll ship you a new one. So this black belt tier is really worth it, even just from the renting the Pi-Hawk drone perspective, because drones could get expensive. So getting the ability to offload the expense for having to build your own drone and maintain your own drone, you don't need that anymore with the black belt tier. Now, maybe you don't want to rent a drone, maybe you just want to buy a pre-built drone. We also offer that for black belt members. You can buy a Pi-Hawk drone as normal, and then you can request to have it pre-built. And without any further charge, since you're a black belt member, we'll get the pre-built Pi-Hawk drone shipped out to you. Now, the last thing that we are offering for the black belt tier is access to all of the Drone Dojo courses. So you could rent your drone, you could take all the courses, and maybe even buy a pre-built drone while getting support from me, while demolishing the bounty board reward board. That's too many boards in that. While demolishing the bounty board while you're in the black belt tier. So that's a ton of value here in the black belt tier. But as I said, we're giving you a special discount. Since we're just launching this, we're going to give the first 20 members to sign up a lifetime 25% discount. So blue belt goes from $27 to $20. The purple belt goes from $47 to $35. And the black belt goes from $397 to $297. So again, that will be the first 20 people to sign up for memberships will have access to that lifetime 25% off discount. We have had 4 people sign up already. We just launched, so the seats are getting filled up pretty quickly, so I wouldn't hesitate if you are interested in this. And again, the first month's drawing, I'm excited about that. It's going to be the Pi-Hawk drone. So yeah, I'm super excited about the Drone Dojo memberships. I hope you are too. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me and I'll get back to you as quick as possible.